Kumpiyansa si Pangulong Aquino na muling mangunguna ang Pilipinas sa larangan ng aviation. Tinaya ito ng Pangulo sa inaugurasyon ng kauna-unahang planta ng BE Aerospace Incorporated sa bansa. Si Elena Luna nag-uulat.
Tiwala si Pangulong Aquino na mabubura na sa Category 2 ng Federal Aviation Administration ang Pilipinas. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo sa kanyang pagdalo sa inaugurasyon ng kauna-unahang planta sa Asia ng BE Aerospace Incorporated sa lalawigan ng Batangas.
We are confident that we will be able to achieve regulatory approval to further expand our aviation sector, especially since we have recently chosen a very competent public servant as our new Secretary of Transportation and Communications, Congressman Juna Bayo. Under his leadership, I am sure that the Philippines will meet the international aviation standards required to pull us up from the FAA's Category 2 classification.
Ayon sa Pangulo, dalawa ang kanyang batayan sa pagtatayang ito.
First, companies have come to realize that Filipinos, with the professionalism and quality work we provide, are more than worth a cost when compared to competing labor forces in the region.
Ayon rin sa Pangulo, patuloy na aarangkada ang industriya ng aviation dahil sa ipinapatupad na mga reforma.
Our administration has focused on adopting policies that level the playing field for those who want to do business in this country, cutting red tape, reducing opportunities for corruption, and giving companies the right kind of competitive incentives to set up shop here. We have done away with the culture of patronage in which the rules can change at the whims of a powerful few, and have replaced it with a culture that rewards the old formula for success: hard work, perseverance, and innovation. Rest assured, it will remain this way. Our administration is as committed as ever to honesty and transparency. We will not misplace your confidence, and we will certainly not betray the trust of our workers who deserve employers like you.
Taong 2008 nang ibaba sa Category 2 ang Pilipinas. Naging dahilan ito para hindi madagdagan ng bagong biyahe patungong Amerika ang mga eroplano ng Pilipinas. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna, Tanawan City, Batangas.